navigating opportunities, understanding, shoot the gap. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, shoot the gap. This expression is rich in meaning and application, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Shoot the gap is an idiom that originates from sports, particularly American football, where it refers to the action of a player moving quickly through a space between opponents to advance the ball or make a tackle. However, its use has transcended sports and it's now commonly applied in various contexts. The phrase symbolizes taking advantage of an opportunity by moving through a narrow opening or overcoming a small window of opportunity. It's about seizing the moment with speed and precision. To better understand, shoot the gap, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, the company decided to shoot the gap in the market by launching their product before the competition could react. 2. In driving, I saw a small opening between the cars in the traffic jam and decided to shoot the gap, saving myself a few minutes. 3. In personal decisions, when she saw a chance to apply for her dream job, even though it seemed a long shot, she shot the gap and sent her application. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe actions that involve quick decision-making and taking advantage of brief opportunities. Now that you're familiar with what shoot the gap means and have seen some examples, let's talk about how you can use this phrase in your sentences. Remember, the key aspects of this idiom are opportunity, speed, and precision. Here are a few tips. Use it when describing a scenario where someone takes a quick and decisive action to take advantage of an opportunity. It's suitable for informal and semi-formal contexts but might be too idiomatic for very formal situations. You can use it metaphorically in various aspects of life, including career moves, personal decisions, and more. We hope this video has shed light on the interesting phrase, shoot the gap, and how it can be used to describe seizing opportunities with agility and precision. Whether in sports, business, or your personal life, knowing when and how to shoot the gap can be a valuable skill. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.